One of the biggest reasons homes sit on the market isn't condition, timing, or marketing. It's price. If your asking price is off, buyers notice immediately, and fixing it later is much harder than getting it right from the start. I once worked with a seller who wanted to list well above recent sales because a neighbor got that price last year. The home had great features, but the market had changed. We walked through the data together, looked at recently sold homes, and adjusted the price to match what buyers were actually paying. The result was strong interest in the first week and an offer closer to the list price instead of months of showings with no traction. Here are my tips on how to price your home right. Use recent comparable sales, not opinions. The most reliable way to price a home is by looking at similar homes that have sold recently in the same area. These sales show what buyers are willing to pay right now, not what sellers hope to get. Pay attention to active and pending listings. Homes currently for sale are your competition, while pending listings show where buyers are writing offers. Together, they help define a realistic price range that keeps your home competitive. Factor in your home's condition and features. Upgrades, layout, lot size, and overall condition all affect value. Two homes with the same square footage can justify very different prices depending on how they show and how much work a buyer expects to do. Adjust for the current market. In a slower market, pricing accurately from day one matters even more. In a competitive market, strategic pricing can attract more buyers and sometimes create multiple offers. The right asking price is not based on emotion or past sales. It's based on current data, buyer behavior, and how your home compares to what's actually selling today. If you want help finding the right asking price for your home, reach out. I'll walk you through the data and help you price with confidence before you list. Thanks for watching. And as always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you again next time.